Mm-hmm. Okay, here we are, and we are live after some series of weeks. Okay, I hope you guys didn't miss me. Come on. Oh. Give it time. Mm-hmm. So let's forward, and that's my life. Okay. I'll be only trading gold today, so that's what I have today. Okay. So the setup is this. Anyone that comes first, if it goes all the way from here, it goes all the way from here. This is resistance here. I'm also expecting it to even maybe stop around here before selling, but I'm seeing a liquidity here, so stick it out and then come here, sell down, stick out this liquidity, then we get this buy zone. So two zones are much more valid, but anyone that comes first, we take it. If it's the sell zone that comes first, we give it a go. If it's the buy zone that comes first, we give it a go. So that's just it. So welcome everyone. Sure. Shit has broken. How will I do this now? I definitely need super glue or something. This video won't stand. Okay, anyone that comes first. Let's see. I can just use this one. I guess I can use this. Okay. Who sent you? Perfecto. Okay. So everything is set now. So it's left for us to wait for gold, do what it wants to do. Like I said, it's a double zone waiting. Anyone that gets first, we trade it. Okay. What am I saying? Invite link I shared. Did I share an invite link? So with what I'm seeing, I definitely think the sell zone will reach first before any zone. Definitely think that the sell zone, it will get to the sell zone first before coming back down to the buy zone. But anyone that we get at the moment is okay for us. Okay, and the stop loss is always maximum of 50 pips for any entry. Maximum, not gonna pass there. Okay. The gimbal I'm using is the one just trying to mess me up today. It's really turning on its own. Crazy. Okay, so we're here.
Too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules.
Okay. So don't forget to like and comment and share. Okay. So you're joining. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. So what we are just trying to do is to be patient and wait for the right moment to take good. And as it starts, we are be patient to wait for either the sell or the buy.
All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch.
I've not taken any trade yet. Okay, anybody asking me what's the entry, what's the buy, what's the sell, I've not taken any trade. But what I can say is, as it stands, the sell zone might be the one to get. It might get to first before heading back to the buy zone. But that's not saying you should buy good now or whatever. No, me, I'm a very patient person. Okay, so I'll be patient all day to wait for my zone. I'm not gonna force any zone. The quite number of times I've tried forcing good to my zone, I know what it did to me, so I'm not gonna try that. I'll just wait for it to get to the zone. Okay, so don't forget to tap like, share, comment, invite your friends. Okay, and invite your friends, and then like this live. And what's the English again? Follow the creator. Okay, and that's it.
Run free,
What are you doing? So here we are. We're standing and waiting. Okay. So I think that's what the song is even saying. So here we are standing and waiting for God to do his thing. Okay. Patience, guys. Patience. That's the only thing I can say. And there is high possibility. I've not even taken a snapshot of this setup. There's high possibility I might not stay in this life for the number of time I'm supposed to stay, but let's see how it goes. Oh, coded. Thanks for all the likes, coded. Okay, I appreciate. Well, can see good again trying to sell. That's what I said. If you had said okay, because I said sell might be the first one good will reach, and you went ahead to buy, see what good is doing now. So it's just a game of patience. Okay, it's always a game of patience. You don't need to be indulged in what's that called, FOMO, fear of missing out. According to my what did I just say? According to my analysis, we have seen by Zoom. What's your TP? Hey, what's up? We give message. No one. Okay, let's go down. We have seen by Zoom. What's your TP? My TP will be that sell zone. That's where my TP is gonna be. And then if I'm selling on my sell zone, my TP will be the buy zone. So depends on which one gets there first. So if it comes all the way down to my buy zone, my TP, it's gonna be the sell zone there at 41, 49 also. Spectacular. Okay, so let's see. Mm-hmm. Eh, eh. Okay, thanks for joining, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing. Who's that? Juice Max Sescool Pop. Yeah, some names I can't pronounce, but thanks for joining. Let's see. It said PPI is today. Is that PPI? Let me see. Oh, PPI. That's a very high impact news. I haven't even noticed. Well, let me see what the data says for PPI. Forecast is 0.2, previous 0.1 minus. Forecast is 0.3, previous 0.7, forecast 0.3. So if this data is gonna come out as forecasted like this, then we all should be. It's even a mixed data. The core PPI is expected to go above the previous. Meanwhile, the main PPI is expected to go. It's expected to still go above the previous PPI. So it's only the core retail sales and the retail sales that are expected to come out negative. So it's a mixed data. You might see good first spiking by maybe 100 pips or buy 150 pips, then you see it comes back to sell again. So it might be a mixed data, except all the data comes out negative and it comes out good for USD, then that's when you see one direction. But if it's a mixed data with the retail sales and the core PPI, expect gold to do two-way direction. So that's the more reason sometimes I avoid trading news, because I don't want stories that touches the heart. So I avoid trading news. But aside that, the news is gonna be a good one. Okay. 100% do I have here? 30% remaining. Let me plug my laptop. No, I don't think it's gonna get up to. Wait, what? Right. So we're still waiting. Well, I actually dropped a little signal to my special channel there, and I think they will make use of it. There's something here that is preventing good from something. This support here is what is holding good from going down below. Yeah, you can see this support here is avoiding good. See, it started from here, it reached there, went back up, it still came back with this second candlestick, came to got here and went back up. Then same again, this third candle came here and went back up. So that's what is resisting, is holding good from breaking up. Except this candlestick 15 is gonna break below here, then that's when we're gonna take out this liquidity and get to this buy zone. But aside that, it's definitely gonna buy, then maybe get to this resistance, take out this liquidity here, and we get to our setup. Okay, so that's what is preventing. So I literally give them a little risky buy setup, and I did put my stop loss just below the resistance here, just like 30 pips stop loss, to see how we're gonna get this. So let's see. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Okay. Battery is really going down. Holy crap, what have I done? That was a mistake. Okay. just like I explained, you can see I did say that there is this here, there is this support here that good couldn't break. And why is it so? If there's support there that good couldn't break, then we should expect it to tap into them and boom. And what can you see? Good has already given that bullish move I said. So definitely my channel people must have made profits. So definitely they must have made their own profits because I told them to buy. Scalping setup goes well. So if you were on this live, you've benefited from that setup. Okay. So right now is 100% time to wait for the sell zone. Okay. Really dead. I was just hanging on the pendulum, Bob. That's crazy. Approaching zone. Okay, approaching zone, and it has reversed. Well, let's keep waiting for it. Anything it wants to do, it's on him. But what I'm just gonna say is, wait, right? Holy crap! Dang. Okay, no problem. It feels right. So this is what's incoming. This is what I'm saying we should observe here. Okay, this support here. Except good is gonna break below here with this 15 minutes candlestick, then it's gonna sell. But if it keeps respecting this support here, it's gonna keep touching buy, touch buy, touch buy. Okay, but if it comes all the way down and closes below this point here, then just know that it's gonna sell. So it's just a scalping call. Okay, if you want to, well, it's best we wait for the main zone so that we don't kill ourselves. Down. Yep, same zone, same points, back to the same points, and couldn't break again. So that's a more valid zone than ever. Same points, getting there again and reversing that same point. So what else? Just to keep buying and scalping there till it breaks or it doesn't. So it's just simple. Meanwhile, how long have we been here? Just 5 minutes. Sure. Okay. Well, while we are looking at good doing the same thing, let's have some breakfast. Okay. At least you can't trade on an empty stomach.
Oluwatosin. What is the market analysis now? As you can see, we are waiting for our zones, either the buy zone or the sell zone. Okay, so, and as it stands, there is a support that is preventing gold from getting to the buy zone, which I drew there. Okay. So probably the sell zone might be the first one to get there. So let's see. I'll definitely come back live during that PPI. Okay. But now, because of that high impact news, markets will just be ranging. That's the problem. Once there's high impact news like that, you just expect the market to be ranging in one place. 50 pips up, 50 pips down, 100 pips up, 50 pips down, just ranging. So instead, once it's 1 hour, I'll end this live, then maybe come back like 10 minutes to the news and see what we'll get.
Searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility.
Not possible.
Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I can fly. bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat. You'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious. Release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blown me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon. Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn. And I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted. Can't copy, printed. Can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat. I might get convicted. They know how I move. It was predicted. Persistent. Spoke it into existence. So consistent. No assistance. Hear me once become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no capping. I'll be spitting this. This ain't what you want, bitch. I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch. I'm a fucking phenomenon. Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it.